In this video, I'm going to show you how to add media files in DaVinci Resolve quickly and the right way, whether you're importing video clips, audio files, or images. If you're just getting started with DaVinci Resolve, this is one of the most important first steps before you can begin editing, and by the end of this tutorial, you'll know several easy methods to bring your files into your project. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more DaVinci Resolve tutorials. All right, let's jump in. First, open DaVinci Resolve and go to the Media page by clicking the first icon from the left at the bottom center of the interface. This page is designed for importing and organizing your source files before editing. Once you're on the Media page, look to the top left corner of the screen and find the Media Storage Browser. This is where you can browse your computer drives and folders. Now navigate through your drives until you find the folder that contains the video, audio, or image files you want to use. You can expand folders just like you would in your regular file system. When you've found the right files, you have two easy options. You can click and drag the individual files you want, or you can drag the entire folder into the media pool located at the bottom center of the screen. The media pool is where all of your imported files will live inside your project. As soon as you drag in the media, you may see a pop-up window asking whether you want to change the project frame rate to match the media. This is an important step. If your footage was recorded at a different frame rate than the default project setting, click Change to match your media and avoid playback or editing issues later. If you're not sure, always check your footage before continuing. After your files have been added to the media pool, you can move to the Edit page by clicking the third icon at the bottom of the screen. This is where the actual editing takes place. If the media pool is not already visible on the Edit page, open it from the top left corner so you can see all your imported clips. From here, simply click and drag your clips from the media pool directly onto the timeline. This is how you start building your sequence and arranging your footage in order. You can add video clips, audio tracks, images, and any other supported media the same way. Once the clips are on the timeline, you're ready to trim, cut, and edit your project. There's also another method if you prefer using menus instead of drag and drop. Go to the File menu at the very top of the screen, choose Import, and then click Media. You can also use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+I on Windows. This opens a File Explorer window where you can select the files you want and click Open to import them into your project. If you want an even faster option, you can right-click anywhere in the empty space of the media pool and select Import Media. This does the same thing and is often the easiest way to bring in files when you're already working inside the project. And if you're using Windows File Explorer or macOS Finder, you can even drag files directly into the DaVinci Resolve 20 media pool or straight onto the timeline. So, whether you prefer browsing through media storage, using the File menu, right-clicking in the media pool, or simply dragging files in from your computer, DaVinci Resolve gives you multiple easy ways to add media files to your project. Once you get comfortable with these methods, importing footage becomes fast and effortless. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next DaVinci Resolve guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.